In this video, I'm going to show you how to rev up a diesel locomotive with ProtoSound 2 or ProtoSound 3. Right here I have my DCS handheld remote. I'm going to use it to rev the locomotive up. There's a toggle right here. I'm going to push labor/rev up. Labor is to make the chuff in the steam engine more intense with the ProtoSound 2 steam engine or ProtoSound 3. For the rev up, it will rev up the prime mover inside of the PS2 or PS3 Diesel. It'll make it sound like it's revving higher, so I'm going to do that right now. Put my backlight on. Alright. Alright, so that's notch 8, and I'm going to move it out. I'm going to use this boost right here, and I set it to stay, so when I boost to a speed it will stay to it. That way it'll prolong the life of the thumb wheel. Once you have it moving, you can rev it down if you'd like to the notch that it would normally be at when it's already moving. And there are 8 different throttle positions that you can be in, so 8 different sound settings. Alright, thanks for watching.